8th day in the month of June 2024, and I have just this few analysis to make, and these are just the trade ideas that I have for today. And first and foremost, I will quickly, let us look at gold. Okay, we're going to quickly look at gold. Now, from this point, I said in some videos, one of my previous videos, that I love it when zones are formed, areas like this. And I also love it when, you know, um, opportunities are kind of like, being taken out of, such moves, like we have been doing this week. Anyway, by the way, the video that I made yesterday as regards, gold rise, just did not went up as expected before the sharp move to the north, sorry, before the sharp move to the south, and that changed a lot, which resulted in a negative trade. In a layman's term, I'll say it was a loss. But here I'm also going to do a quick analysis of this, and from the smaller time frame, what I would just expect is what price is currently trying to do. If price would definitely break above this level here, okay, then maybe price breaks above this level and then do the needful, which is doing a retracement, okay, after price has moved past that level, and then there'll be a pullback a little bit, a price will pull back a little bit. Then we can now take whatever opportunities that is needed to be taken from here. All right, so I think that explains that, as regards. And in other words, or let me just rephrase, put it in this perspective, we may also experience a pullback from here. This is also a good area for price to do a little pullback, and a little retracement from also will do wonders. So I'm just going to take my trade if that retracement could get anywhere around here. I'll just pick a trade from there. It could go below, but yes, that is what I am going to do. So I think that is that about gold. And secondly is on Dow Jones, which is US 30. I'm also looking at price. This is the level that I stated some days ago, and I'm still kind of like looking for, I'm coming. All right, so if you see, this is the same level, and this is also still the same level where price is trying to. So if, which is a conditional statement, price breaks below this level here, if price does breaks below this level here, definitely we will be looking at this level also, which is here, which is at this point, which is around 38, oh sorry, which is at 38004.7 knots. If all parameters are set around here, the price breaks, take a trade from. So people, let's look at another currency pair or another financial asset, so to say. Okay, all right. Then the third one, which also we are going to look at, is Euro Japanese yen. And if you go to, you know, places like the 4 hours, if you go to 4 hours, you'll see that there has been a move from, area like, let's also go to 1 hour time frame. Look at how long that this price has moved, from this bottom here, from this bottom here to where it is, just about 4,000 pips plus. Okay, well, it's actually about 5,000 pips plus. Now you can see this move from here. The strength is still very strong. The upward move is still very imminent. So I always try as much as possible to, if I see opportunity to buy, definitely I am going to, continue buying, JPY. So I think at this point, so long this area holds like this, it is also, very feasible that we can still continue to, buy Euro JPY. But I am not saying buy, okay? You just allow parameters to set. So what are the parameters? Look at other factors that can help you identify is that can give you a clear that can actually give you a go ahead, from you just using, price action, to trade and all of that. So in that regard, anywhere from here, I can pick a buy order from here. So long this level is not broken here. All right, I mean here. So long this is not broken. If it is broken, that means we have to go and look for another major support, level in time frames like 1 minute and also in 5 minutes. Then let's quickly look at another one. Then I also have GBP Australian dollar. That's GBP AUD. Now, in this regard, I still hold this as a very strong point for me in, and with what currently I have here, the analysis is not too much. I'm not, that kind of too much. I don't call myself an analyst though. I just like everything to be set the way I want them to be set, and then I'll just take my trade. Maybe I should even focus more on when I get a trade opportunity, I will just, take the trade and then be looking at what is really going on. Okay, I also have eyes on GBP Australian dollars. So if all parameters are also set, maybe today, maybe next week, I am going to, you know, try as much as possible to trade that too. Then, another one is a USD card sell opportunity. Okay, which if this level is still holds, okay, if this level still holds, and actually this is the major, this is the minor, the major high, the minor high. Okay, let me put it that way so you can understand. This is the highest high, so I call it the major high, and this is the minor. So as long as this is not threat, even if the current price breaks above here, if here is actually not threatened, then I still see a sell to be very, very imminent. All right, that's for USD card. So I still see a sell to be very, 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 very imminent. And I think that about that with some of the trades. So please note it down and look at it once in a while. If that opportunity comes, let's, for me, if I picked out, financial assets, like that, I'll always let my eyes be focused on what to do next with them. Okay, I cannot trade all the tens or hundreds of assets that is out there that is provided by the broker there. So I try as much as possible to pick. And how do I pick? By studying, by analyzing. I don't forecast, I analyze the market. So once the analysis is done, you be able to see the one you are supposed to focus on. So, and there you go. So I think that explains it. So until the next video, if I take a trade, I definitely come back and you know I definitely try as much as possible to show to you guys that this is the trade that I've taken and this is how far it has gone. All right, thank you for this live stream and hope to see you. And please, if you're loving this, take your time to just hit the subscribe button and try as much as possible to like the video. All right, and do comment so let's know what I am doing. Let me know what I'm doing that is not right, and also if there's a good or positive remark, please give it to me so I can also do more with in providing you the quality videos that you need. I'm sorry the analysis is not that professional enough, but yes, what I have is very, very good, so superb. I would say that it works for me. Anyway, thank you. I'll see you in the next video, and thank you very much once again. Bye.